Akaso Mini Projector Review. Mini projectors hit the market a few decades back. These projectors are not portable but sometimes as bright and clear as the standard-sized projectors. A few companies have come forward to manufacture and offer mini projectors. Akaso is one of them. Though several companies have been manufacturing and offering mini projectors, Akaso takes the lead. It is because most Akaso mini projectors are small enough to fit in a pocket. Therefore, most of us get concerned about whether these pocket-sized projectors would be capable of lighting up the screen, or is this Akaso mini projector truly worthy or not? Time to resolve the mystery. Appearance. The Akaso mini projectors are not just portable but have a pretty acceptable design as well. Most of the Akaso mini projectors come in black color. These projectors are not that thin, however, not bulky either. Overall, these projectors score 8/10 for their appearance. Brightness. It's quite obvious that a small-sized projector cannot give out as much light as a standard-sized projector would. Therefore, expecting the picture quality to be as good as the standard-sized projector would not be a fine idea. The Akaso mini projectors offer a decently clear and bright picture. Unfortunately, like every mini projector out there, they have limitations. Most Akaso projectors are capable of lighting up a 120 screen. If you have got to light a 120 screen, the Akaso mini projectors would offer a fairly bright and clear image. However, if you go for a bigger screen, the image quality would drop. Contrast ratio. Brightness alone is not all that you need to get a fairly bright clear picture, as it's best for cookie decorating. The contrast ratio also plays an important role in improving picture quality. If the projector has to work in an environment with a lot of ambient light, the contrast ratio has to be low, otherwise the higher the contrast ratio the better. Just like the brightness, these Akaso mini projectors have an acceptable contrast ratio as well. Therefore, they form a perfectly bright and rich colored image on a 120 screen. For bigger screen sizes, neither the brightness nor the contrast ratio is very impressive. Control. Since these projectors are designed to be highly portable, therefore, most do not come with any remote. Some projectors have a touch screen that allows you to keep things in your control. I must admit here that the Akaso mini projector's design does not impress me much, but the touch control won my heart. A few mini Akaso projectors do come with remote control as well. The remote-controlled Akaso projectors also happen to be super handy. Streaming options. These Akaso mini projectors might be small in size but not any less rewarding. Like standard-sized projectors, it offers multiple streaming options. To be more specific, you can expect USB, HDMI, AirPlay, and a lot more. Lamp life. The Akaso mini projectors happen to have impressive lamp life as well. They can work without needing a replacement for more or less up to 30,000 hours. That's pretty impressive for a small pocket-sized projector. Battery life. The small-sized projectors might not support a large screen. However, they can have as impressive battery and lamp life as standard-sized projectors. The Akaso mini projectors are proof of that. What I have concluded from using Akaso mini projectors is that they can run for a good 2 to 3 hours without requiring a recharge. Usability. Like every mini projector available on the market, these Akaso projectors are made to serve all small to medium-sized unprofessional needs. I have tried these Akaso projectors for several purposes, however, they worked best for gaming and movies.